Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolates in a factory. First, cacao beans are harvested and fermented, which develops their rich flavor. After drying, the beans are carefully roasted at precise temperatures. Then, their shells are removed, leaving behind cacao nibs. These nibs are then ground into a thick, unsweetened chocolate liquor, the very foundation of our delicious chocolate. Next, this chocolate liquor is combined with sugar and milk powder, creating the desired sweetness and creaminess. The mixture then undergoes a refining process, where it's ground into extremely fine particles, ensuring a smooth, melt-in-your-mouth texture. Following this, the chocolate is conched, a crucial step that further develops its flavor and removes any undesirable bitter notes, making it truly delicious. Now the chocolate is tempered, a vital step that gives it a beautiful glossy finish and that satisfying crisp snap when you break it. This involves carefully heating and cooling the chocolate to specific temperatures. Once perfectly tempered, the liquid chocolate is poured into various molds, creating different shapes and sizes. It's then cooled in a controlled environment until it solidifies into its final form. Finally, the solidified chocolates are carefully removed from their molds and undergo a final quality inspection. They are then meticulously packaged to preserve their freshness, aroma, and beautiful appearance, ready for distribution. Remember to check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. We hope you enjoyed learning about the fascinating journey of chocolate from bean to bar.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.